Hey guys, so this is part 2 of our mission because we never made it to the waterfall. Dad kind of beat us, and so this is Amadeus and Leilani's learning fun time.
Adventure day at the what? Look at this, Amadeus.
Be sure to, like and subscribe. Smash the thumbs up. Well, we gotta make it to the big waterfall. That was the mission, and we didn't make it there. So, where's this big waterfall? I do hear it. We are in Ohiopyle, Pennsylvania. State Park, walking the trail. Well, we're done on the trail now. We're coming to get some food.
Yeah, guys.
So guys, tell them again what your favorite part was.
The water and the rocks.
The water and the rocks. Bro? Bro was the guide. He was guiding us. Right, bro? Were you our guide?
No. Mama's.
Who was your guide? Your conscience?
No.
Dad, what was your favorite part?
The whole day.
Yay. And guess what? Mom has to go to the bathroom. Like always, right?
No, I'm not behind you.
So, we're still on the mission to find the big waterfall. I hear it, I hear it, I hear it. Is that the big waterfall? Is that the big waterfall? No,
This way.
it's not. Where's the big waterfall? That way?
Right there. It might be a bathroom in there.
But we gotta find the big waterfall.
It's behind it.
Well, let's do the mission first.
Hey,
Come on,
there's
Lord.
a big bump for you.
We gotta find the big waterfall. Then and only then can we end this mission, guys.
Wherever this is, just go through here. It's part of the mission. Come on.
Okay. Please.
Okay, baby. You're gonna go find food. Yes.
Right.
Come.
We don't want to go in here. I can't get like through here. How am I gonna complete the mission, guys?
Let's go. Come on.
I'm gonna complete the mission. Biological waste treatment. Huh. Unless I go potty while you guys keep recording. How does that sound? Does that sound like a great idea? Oh, fine. I guess I'll hold it. Where's the waterfall? Where's the waterfall? I'm hungry too. General store. Oh, I hear it. I hear it. I hear it. You must wear a mask. You're right. Psych. Your belly's growling? What do you want to eat? Ice cream and food. There's the big waterfall. Mission completion.
I thought you had a big waterfall. The other one was bigger than that.
Smells so good. You have to go potty? I guess we're gonna have to go back in that building and go pee quick. Mission complete, guys. This is Ohiopyle, Pennsylvania. Now we're gonna go potty and go eat.
Alright. No, it's not.
Smash the thumbs up.
It's not the end. Remember, we have to go to an ice cream shop.
We'll do another video over there. Tell
And
them
that's part 3.
like and subscribe.
Then that's part 3, Mom.
Yeah. Smash the thumbs up. Nowadays, something that he's learning. Fun time. Bye, guys.
No,